Magandang umaga, magandang hapon, at magandang gabi po sa inyo lahat. Ito po yung likod, si John Makinay. And today, we'll be reviewing the Ming Dynasty HK Expert, HK USP Expert. Okay. This unit, it's not for repair. Well, the other one was for repair. From our friend, Sir, where is you? I don't know. He uses a different name. I cannot say it. It was broken, but not repaired. Anywho, we'll get back to that a little bit later. And let's delve in with the review. First is the quality. It is an ABS, and actually some metal parts, especially this one. It makes the unit heavier. I don't know if it's a good thing or a bad thing. There's also some trades, like HK side arms, 9mm, some USP expert. See next, 9mm by 19. It's cute. This is actually battery powered with a magazine prime and stuff. The battery is located here. A tip for those who will buy this, please do not use 11.1, use a 7.4, or else you will break this one. And it's okay. Lock. There's no rails for this one too, no? Oh, actually, there's a rails attachment for this one. You can screw it on here, so there'll be additional Picatinny rails here. BB capacity is very limited. I think less than 50, 30. Located here, it's a prime mag, so there are prime terminals. And there's a wheel that pushes the gel going up. One of the disadvantages of this one is it's really picky on the gels that you use. If it's too hard, it will jam. If it's too soft, it will not load. You need to find the correct size and weight. So, one of the cons. For the features, it has, this is not a tracer, it's only a metal Spitfire. It adds to the weight. Does it lights up? No, it's off. Let's turn it on. Where's my tools? Finish this one. Whee! Chim, 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 chim. And oh, that hurts. Where's the button? So if you no, if you fire it, it will light. So it's only a tracer. So I don't know if you like it or not. Well, it makes it a little bit cooler. It says tracer here, but it's not actually a tracer. And Novisky Fire Pig. Anywho, it's has safe. Where's the safe? No. Manual. Where's the safe? That's full auto. That's semi. Oh, one thing regarding this one is that if you put it in the full auto, there's a chance that it will hold it like this. And if you go back to semi, it will not. It's basically the switch is held on a hanging position, so you need to put it to full auto. Put into position that can switch if you put it back to semi, and it will go back to the natural position. And let's see, if you depress it the trigger a little bit, it will hold first, then fire. So I don't know it's a feature or not. Oh, it doesn't have a slide lock, but it's only for looks. And if you cock the slide back, it's magazine prime. So, on a website that I'm looking at, it claims that it goes to 230 FPS, but based from testing, 160 to 180 on average using the white 60N gels. So I don't know why is it like that. Uh, weight. Weight is around 700 grams, almost a kilo. So it does have a weight to it, which is nice. But then again, uh, the problem with this one is that since the cylinder is too small, the barrel is a little bit too long, the cylinder cannot produce enough uh, air to give it a good enough FPS. So it's a little bit lacking. Upgrades, there will be no upgrades on this one. Is that since this also have a MOSFET control also, there's no probability of it burning the trigger. Although your problem is that you might drain the battery. So you need to keep that in mind. If you feel that in full auto, it becomes slower, stop. You don't want to burn the MOSFET. There will be no parts. Range, uh, based from my testing, uh, say, say, based from my testing, it has difficulty reaching the 10 meters mark. I don't know if I do not have the correct gel balls for it, but it doesn't have accuracy. I think it might hit the target if it's 5 meters, but 10 meters, it flies somewhere. Oh, there's no hop up for this one, so that's also a disadvantage. And because of the long barrel, it's hard to put a good enough hop up for it, unless it will be this long. Price, as far as you know, it's 5,000 plus, something like that, 5 to 6,000. So it's a little bit expensive. For that price, you can get a a whole unit actually. So if you really want to have a pistol, go for it. Personally, for me, I will wait for the gas variants, or unless electric pistols are okay for me if the brand is good. For example, this is my Tokyo Marui AEP, automatic electric pistol. I don't know, there's bullets. See? It sounds similar, but this sounds bad. I like this one. And this is accurate. Well, this is airsoft, so yeah. And if you're going to go AEP, you need to be at least this standard or close to it. This is a hard recommendation, and if it breaks, there'll be no parts. Well, it's same as this one, so yeah. Anywho, if you have any questions, comments, suggestions, violent reactions, just put it down in the comment section down below, and I'll answer it as soon as possible. Hanggang sa muli, paalam! Ching!